to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing another tutorial. Don't mind my voice, I'm a bit down with cold, but we have to do what we have to do. Today is Wednesday and this tutorial needs to be dropped, so don't mind the cold. We are going to do a tutorial. So I expect you guys to ask me that kind of confidence. What are we doing with the proof today? Are we sewing? No, we are not sewing. We're actually not sewing, but you know, I get questions like, what's the measurement of the material, blah blah blah, like that. And I think we should measure the material we are using today before we finally proceed to how and steps that we're going to use to, you know, tie it. Very simple though, as usual, very simple. So we're going to be measuring the material out. We're going to be looking at the length and we're going to be looking at the, you know, breadth of this material. So guys, stay with me. This is the material that we're using for today. As a 3 layers joined, I don't know if you can see where they are being joined. So it's a 3 layers joined Aso-oke. I want to be as audible as I can. So it's a 3 layers joined, and we're going to be taking the measurements, how wide it is and how long it is. This is the breadth, which is the width, how wide it is, right? And this is how long it is. So let's do this. So I'm going to be placing it on my chest like this, and we go for our tape rule, right? So this is one, like this. Okay, this is giving me, just let's say 18 something, 18 and a half, right? Okay, and for the length we're going to go like this. And total material is 67, while the width is, let's go for 18, let's pick 18. The width is 18, the length is 67. Do you get it? And it's a 3 layers joined Aso-oke. I already made my pleats from on my nail, so I'm going to be placing the material on my head, right? I'm going to be placing the material on my head like this. So all I need here is just to knit up the pleat on my head. Very important. So I'll just use them out like you see me doing. So my shoulder and my neck, we do the work there. Okay. Where beauty finds its rightful place, I teach the art that sets you free, to rock your head in elegance you see. Our mic has gone to the back. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. So I think this is knitted off, right? Part like this. So this is my hair, and right to left and left to right. So this is what the division looks like. This one is shorter than this, just a bit. Then this longer part on my shoulder, under my shoulder, I mean on my armpits. It's not good that somebody should be secure. I'm saying nonsense. So let's hold this in and just grab our pleat. Okay. Your grab, confidence boosts your style unique. Then a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. From mornings
morning's light, the evening's glow.
And repeat my pin.
Your jealous speaks of grace, you know.
Secure.
Confidence blooms, your style unique.
Security and so.
In every route,
I've secured.
a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines.
Stretch this out to you.
Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, be it slow. You'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. So join me now, let's learn and play. In beauty's dance, we find our way.
Down part.
Style that's timeless, no need to wait.
Like this.
In the heart of nature's grace, where beauty finds its rightful place, I teach the art that sets you free. To wrap your head in elegance, you see. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last.
This is what we have here.
With fabrics flowing, colors bright,
Basically,
I'll
just
guide your hands to tie just right. Transform your look in minutes flat, with skills that empower, and that's a fact.
peel again.
Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With from morning's light to evening's glow,
Okay, got it like
your
this.
jealous speaks
And this
of grace, you know. Confidence blooms, your style unique.
this. You could actually
In every wrap,
go like
a story speaks.
this.
Beauty by
I've
nature,
done this
where
in
simplicity
so you
shines.
could actually go like this.
Learn to tie with ease and make it divine.
Peel.
For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last.
And secure as well.
From morning's light to evening's glow, your jealous speaks of grace, you know.